has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, northeastern Clay County in northern Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Terrell, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ryan, Terrell, Sugden, and Oscar. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.